Moderna says a larger dose of its COVID-19 booster significantly increases antibody levels against the Omicron variant. Today, the company said its current booster increased antibody levels 37-fold. New data suggests that a double dose would be more than double that protection. Moderna says it now falls to U.S. public health officials to decide whether the larger booster shot should be administered. Moderna is also working on an Omicron-specific booster. The Department of Labor vaccine mandate for large companies is also back on. An appeals court lifted a legal block on the vaccine rule that narrowed the window for big companies to get in compliance. BNC's Jamiese Price is live in New Orleans with a look at the impact. Good evening, Jamiese.
Good evening, Nayyera. This could impact about 84 million Americans. So this vaccine rule comes as COVID cases are surging across the country and this new Omicron variant is spreading. As many Americans are preparing to go back into the office for the new year, they will be met with new COVID requirements. A federal appeals court reinstated Biden's COVID vaccine mandate.
Even when we waited for the first mandate, the first federal mandate to come out for employers who had over 100 people, we've already been putting things in place to make sure that we were prepared. First and foremost, with everything that's going on, organizations need to put safety first.
Businesses with more than 100 workers will have to require everyone to be fully vaccinated or get tested every week and wear a face mask. Failing to comply could cost companies $14,000 for each violation.
And employers might start seeing higher exemptions, and how they're going to manage that is going to be difficult.
The mandate has faced countless legal battles from attorneys general in Republican states as well as conservative groups. The National Retail Federation, the world's largest retail trade association, in a statement called the mandate burdensome. But human resources expert Sarah Morgan says the rise in COVID cases is one reason why this decision to move forward with the mandate will stand.
I think it will be difficult for the courts to completely overturn it without completely flying in the face of hundreds of years of precedent.
The mandate comes as the country is already dealing with a worker shortage. Retailers and restaurants are struggling to hire workers, and this adds an extra hurdle. A Kaiser family study found that 37% of unvaccinated workers say they would leave their job if their employer required them to get a vaccine or get tested weekly.
There are workers who are still nervous about going back into workplaces anyway. Particularly right now, we're seeing the Omicron variant starting to surge, and it's making folks very, very nervous.
OSHA estimates the new vaccine rule will prevent 250,000 hospitalizations and 6,500 deaths after the mandate takes effect, just 6 months after that mandate goes into effect. Nayyera?
Jamiese, when do these large companies need to have their workforces vaccinated?
Full compliance for the vaccine mandate is February 9th. That gives companies about a month to make those adjustments. In New Orleans, I'm Jamiese Price for BNC.